So we are in Reading, Pennsylvania right now at Santander Arena, home of the Reading Royals. It's a pretty popular team around town. One of the things that's really important to them is balancing the budget and performance.
This rink has outperformed everything that we've asked it to do. It means a lot just to see the system running and performing, and the customer's very happy with it.
We've been able to save that 30 to 40% each month. The product that we're putting out on the ice, it's even better than it was before.
The ice has been so good that we can rent the ice and feel confident we're going to have good ice.
I think the ice here is great. We go on the road sometimes and it doesn't compare to here. The ice gives us that huge advantage.
We had a 20-year-old ice plant. It was the original ice plant in this building. It was an R22 plant, and it was on its last life.
The last one, you were struggling to keep the ice refrigerated.
The corners got so wet that guys were wiping out.
During games, we couldn't keep up.
With CO2, it was really just the unknown of what are we getting into. At the end of the day, the financials are kind of our lifeblood.
What we had before was just an energy guzzler.
From a usage standpoint, we're probably using 50% a month versus last year.
Even though you're saving the money, you're not necessarily, compromising what your ice looks like.
It's really good.
Some ice, across the league, will get bumpy and really choppy and everything. And I think here, it's still pretty smooth by the time we're done with the period, and it's not like we're battling, trying to pass the puck around the ice. You can control what you're doing out there.
It means everything to me because I'm very passionate about hockey. I'm very proud to work for Simcoe. We deliver packages that last, that provide a quality sheet of ice. There's a reason why we're in 3/4 of the NHL rinks.
I believe they have a system here that's going to outlive the facility itself.
This is the package right here. The compressors are on the front. On the backside are the chiller exchangers for the brine, as well as the warm glycol. And if we step over here, this is our pump skid. This is what, answering your question prior, this is where we are circulating our chilled brine underneath the floor, as well as our snow melt pit pump and our warm floor pump as well.